Yo, what's up everybody? It's Unbound for Liberation, and we're about to dive headfirst into the wild world of travel safety. Yeah, I know, safety isn't exactly the sexiest part of planning your next big adventure. You're daydreaming about pristine beaches, epic hikes, exploring ancient ruins, not twisted ankles and lost passports. But trust me, nobody regrets being prepared. We're talking about those crucial items that can make or break your trip. The stuff that separates the seasoned explorers from the wish I'd packed that's. So, if you're ready to conquer the world, backpack in hand, without a worry in sight, stick around. We're about to break down the top 5 travel essentials that'll keep you safe, secure, and ready for anything. Let's do this. Alright, first up, let's talk about the MVP of any travel kit, the first aid kit. I'm not talking about some bulky, hospital-grade monstrosity. Keep it compact, keep it light, but make sure it packs a punch. Think bandages for those inevitable blisters, antiseptic wipes because, well, hygiene, and some pain relievers for when adventure takes its toll. Look, accidents happen. I've learned that the hard way. One minute you're snapping selfies on a mountaintop, the next you're face planting on a hiking trail. Having a first aid kit on hand, it's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Alright people, we live in a digital world. Our phones are our lifelines, our cameras, our maps, our everything. But what happens when that battery icon turns red? Panic, despair? Not on our watch. Enter the portable power bank. Seriously, this thing is a game changer. Imagine you're lost in a foreign city, your phone's about to die, and you're desperately trying to remember that restaurant your friend recommended 3 years ago. Nightmare fuel, right? But with a power bank tucked away in your bag, you're good to go. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, maybe you're trekking through the Amazon or something, check out solar chargers. Free energy from the sun? That's peak travel hacking right there. Chapter 3, Hydration Station. Clean water is non-negotiable. Let's talk H2O, the elixir of life. Whether you're scaling mountains or wandering through bustling markets, staying hydrated is non-negotiable. But here's the catch. Clean drinking water isn't always a guarantee. That's where our trusty sidekick comes in, the portable water filter. These things are lifesavers, literally. They turn even the sketchiest looking water into pure, refreshing goodness. No more relying on overpriced bottled water or risking a nasty stomach bug. Plus, it's good for the planet. We're all about those sustainable travel vibes here. Chapter 4, Travel Insurance, Adulting 101. I know, insurance isn't exactly the most thrilling topic. It's like that boring friend who always brings a rain jacket to a party, but trust me, when the unexpected hits, you'll be thanking your lucky stars you listened to that boring friend. Travel insurance is your safety net. It's there to catch you if things go south. Medical emergencies, canceled flights, lost luggage, you name it. Look, I get it. None of us want to think about breaking a leg while skiing down the Alps or getting food poisoning from that questionable street food. But these things happen, and when they do, you don't want to be slapped with a medical bill that could bankrupt a small country. Chapter 5, Back Up Your Life, because losing stuff sucks. Last but not least, let's talk about the digital age's worst nightmare. Losing your phone or wallet in a foreign land. Picture this. You're at a bustling market haggling over souvenirs like a pro, when suddenly, you realize your wallet is gone. Panic sets in, your heart races, you frantically retrace your steps but it's no use. Your passport, your ID, your credit cards, gone. Avoid this travel horror story by having digital and physical copies of all your important documents. Scan your passport, your driver's license, your credit cards, everything. Store them securely in the cloud and email copies to yourself, just in case. And don't forget to keep a physical copy separate from the originals, just in case your phone decides to take an unplanned vacation. And there you have it, folks. The 5 travel essentials that'll turn you into a safety-conscious adventurer, ready to conquer the world one stamp at a time. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Pack smart, stay aware, and embrace the unexpected. Now get out there, explore, have an epic time, and make some memories that'll last a lifetime. From weekend road trips to international treks, the right gear makes all the difference. So pack smart, stay prepared, and turn every adventure into a safe, memorable story.